Today we are going to discuss about vehicle movement safety. What could be the hazards and what precautions to be taken? Hazard number 1. Collision between vehicles and workers. Use proper signage and trained banksman. Hazard number 2. Poor visibility during movement. Ensure clear view and use mirrors. Hazard number 3. Overspeeding on site. Follow site speed limits. Hazard number 4. Reversing accidents. Use reverse alarms and signalman. Hazard number 5. Uncontrolled vehicle parking. Park only in designated areas.